Soup with cauliflower cheese. Creamy cauliflower cheese soup served as a starter, lunch, or dinner, is a crowd pleaser thanks to its cheesy taste and silky texture. First, we'll cut up vegetables, carrots, onions, and cauliflower. Freshly chopped parsley. Add some diced bacon and simmer for a few minutes. Next, in a Dutch oven, cook some diced bacon for a few minutes. Remove bacon and leave aside. In a large pot, melt some butter with the bacon grease and sauté the onions and carrots for 2 minutes before adding the cauliflower, garlic, thyme, chili powder, and parsley. Cook and stir for another 3 minutes. Add the chicken broth, bring to a boil, then add the cream and reduce the heat to low. Using a handheld blender or transferring the soup to a blender machine in batches. Mix until creamy and smooth for 12 to 15 minutes, or until vegetables are soft,